two things can be true at the same time. One is using Paperclip could be expensive. Number two is there are options that could help from the open source perspective. So today I'm going to showcase one option that came to my radar, and I think this is something you definitely want to keep an eye on. And that is oMLX. Now, MLX has been around for a while. This is essentially taking models, that open source models, and running that specifically for Apple Silicon. So I use my MacBook, Mac Mini is my setup. So this will come in handy for that. Now, once you get oMLX set up, essentially it looks like this. Just think about Olama, but just really good for Mac. I haven't done specific tests comparing this to Olama, but based on what I've seen so far, very promising in terms of the token speed and how fast the results are coming back. So if you're using Olama, you like it, fine. But if you're looking for something more dedicated to Apple, you're gonna want to look at MLX. I have it installed. It gives you the same chat interface like Olama. To my left, you can create a new chat. In here, pick any of these models. So I do have a couple of models installed. Get my model installed in here. And now you essentially come in and chat. Very similar to what you will have with Olama, but just oMLX dedicated for leveraging the Apple Silicon. The result here is a little bit slow, to be honest, but still for free, essentially. You might want to wait the extra seconds to get this results back. Now, once this come back, so we finally get a result here. The question is, can we use this for our Paperclip setup? And the answer is yes. You absolutely can use it for your Paperclip setup. If you just want to chat in a private local way, use the oMLX setup. And how was my setup? Like I said, just go over here, download the DMG. Pretty easy to set up. Alternatively, I would encourage you just go in, copy this link, and then ask Claude Code to get this installed. And the setup took not too long to get it set up, about 14,000 stars and counting. Now, once you have this set up, one question I had was, how would this work on my Paperclip setup? And I'll go through showing you that. So here's my demo Paperclip setup. If you haven't seen Paperclip yet or gone through a setup, I encourage you to look on the channel. We have tremendous amount of videos, probably the #1 channel on Paperclip on YouTube by my submission right now. So just come in here or look on the channel, see the videos we've done. You'll get your Paperclip setup. Once you have the setup, I'll pick one particular agent here in Paperclip. So the Chief of Staff agent, Ben is the Chief of Staff. Just go ahead, pick that agent, go to configurations. You're going to want to scroll down to adapter. This is what we need, and this is where the agent runs. Now, with this adapter, the best way to make this work, typically in my production setup, so right now I'm in my demo setup, in my production setup, to be transparent, for full transparency, I use Claude. I use Claude most of the time for that setup. I've experimented with all, but Claude tends to be my daily driver. Now, if cost is a concern, and that's why we're having this conversation, you're going to want to go to Open Code. So go ahead and click on Open Code. And now with Open Code, if you're not familiar with Open Code, again, it's just an open source LLM harness for us. So select Open Code. Now you want to go down to models. You can see Olama is set up and running. And below that, I have my oMLX available. Now, this particular agent running will leverage this oMLX setup to run. And just like that, you have local private model running your Paperclip instance. Now, how do you get the oMLX to be connected to OpenCode? Again, this is something where just ask Claude to get that connected. As a matter of fact, if I scroll over to this side, this is my OpenCode instance. So anybody using OpenCode, just think about Claude Code, but just an open version of Claude Code. So OpenCode will look like this. If I go down to models, select models, so you would see I have my OpenCode set up to have Olama as the model provider, or I can have the oMLX as the model provider. So as long as you have this, model providers. So I will select one of these. So if I was doing the Gamer 4, now you can chat with Gamer 4 here with Olama. So hello. Hopefully this works. With not Olama or oMLX. So just say that a number of times, and it doesn't roll off the tongue that easy. So once you have this, you can chat with oMLX using those models from here in open code. And most people will appreciate just using this interface as such. Kind of similar to Cloud Code, but for those who want to take it to the next level, and I think that's why you're watching this video with Paperclip, will be once you have oMLX connected to open code, now you just have those models from MLX available in open code, and you're using those models here in Paperclip. And if you need to add any new models, let's say you wanted to get a model that wasn't here, I will go back to my admin here in oMLX, go in and install that model. Let's go back. So this is chat. So you're going to go back to oMLX, go over to models, the manager. And so these are the models that are installed currently in my instance. Then you want to go down to download, just go through the process, figure out what model you want, get that downloaded. Once that model is downloaded, this is not a tutorial for MLX specifically, but you're going to find the model you need, get the model downloaded, either from Hugging Face or Model Scope. Once your model is downloaded, that model now becomes available for you to use in your Paperclip. Depending on the hardware you have, you can download some really big models and have that available for you. Or alternatively, just have a chat experience here if you prefer that. So very, very interesting. I don't have the hardware to download supremely big models, local models, which that will give me the level of reasoning capabilities I want, which is why I find myself going back to Claude, like I said in there. So hopefully this was helpful. This is Fro. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next demo.